Talk to each other.
Go yellow, we're talking.
Send it. Big boot.
Small, go small, go small.
Good job, good job.
On her, on her, on her.
Get it out.
There you go.
Nice, Lucy. Good job. Get out of there.
Got 1K10.
Nice.
There you go. There you go. Battle, battle.
Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
Nice.
Come on, Addie, aggressive.
Center.
Keep going, Addie, keep going, Addie, keep going.
There you go, Avery. Nice. Good job. Good job. There you go. Battle, battle. Good job. On it. Nice. Good job, Naya. Big boot. Send it. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Addie shifting, Addie shifting.
Nice control.
There you go, Vanessa. Oh, good idea. Offside.
On her, Addie, on her.
Oh. Big boot, come on.
Get ready, Naya. Go, Naya,
Nice.
go, go, go.
Run it.
There you go, there you go. Good job,
Stay there, stay with
Vanessa. Come on. Come on. Oh. Good idea,
Yeah,
girls.
that was-
Shifting, Addie, shifting.
Man, that's like 5 today.
Oh, easy.
Hustle, Addie, hustle.
It's like we're playing indoor and we're up
Yeah.
8 or whatever.
Yeah, the 2-line rule or the
Yeah,
two
yeah,
over the line.
exactly.
Yeah.
Good field.
Not too much, Addie, not too much, not too much, Addie, no.
Help the ball.
Our ball, our ball. Come on, Addie.
Way off, way off.
Controla, Haley, controla, Haley. Come on, Addie.
Get back, Anna.
Let her behind you.
Get back.
Yeah, Juliana.
There you go, there you go. Nice, Lucy.
With Rohnert.
Big move.
Up, buddy. Haley up, Haley up.
Pressure. Good job, good job.
Don't wait.
Open up, Vanessa. Minan.
Good Help, give her help.
Ready.
Adi, on her!
Get it out of there. Nice, Avery. Keep going. Good job, good job, good job. There you go, Vanessa. There you go, Vanessa. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. They call it
Come
again.
on, for fuck's sake.
But she wasn't. There's two guys over here.
Good pressure, Santa Rosa.
Hustle back, Adi. Come on, Adi, you gotta
Come on, get it, get it. There you go, Morgan.
Good idea. Good idea.
Come on, get in front.
Get it up. There you go.
Come on.
Offside. There's offside. No? Yes.
She was definitely outside.
Keep bouncing.
Good job, Santa Rosa.
Nice passing, Hurricane.
Shifting, Adi, hurry. Come on, shifting.
Crash.
3 people out there.
Let's go. Alexa, cuida tu jugadora.
Tighten up deep.
Come on, Adi, touching bodies. Come on.
All for it.
Clear it.
Clear it, clear it.
Get it out of there. Just clear it out. Good job.
Good job, Addison. Good job, Addison.
Let's go.
Again. Good job.
Go, Vanessa. That's you. Now you're in. Stay.
Nice pass.
Carry.
Go up, Naya. Go, Naya. Go, Naya.
Adi, shifting.
Go pressure, honey. Go pressure.
Yeah, pressure.
Good hustle. Good hustle.
Adi, you gotta be bouncing. You can't stop putting. You can't you get too slow then afterwards. Stay there.
Quick.
Come on, Adi, go.
Everyone get back. Kick it out.
Come on, Juliana. Yeah, Juliana. Shot, Juliana.
Juliana, strong.
Good job, Juliana.
Back up, Adi.
It's theirs.
Take it. Nice, Avery. There you go, Naya. Good job.
Cross it. Cross.
Oh, hey. Yeah, another penalty shot.
Be a yellow. He called the penalty. It should be a yellow.
Good job, Naya.
Should definitely be a yellow.
Yes, there you go, Ken.
Because that was like total. And he himself said it. That should have been yellow.
Be ready, girls.
Get everybody else on board.
Touching the yellow lane.
Good job, Santa Rosa.
Way to do, Naya. Way to go, Naya. Good job, Michelle.
That play started with your hustle.
That was
Let's go, Hurricane.
good hustle, Naya. Great job, Naya.
Nice.
One.
Off the ball, Blue.
Nice, Lucy.
Keep it up, Addison. Keep it up, Addison.
Come on in.
Good job, Addison. Go, go, Avery, go, Avery, go, Avery, go, follow Avery, go, follow Avery.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
What is it?
Keep it up, Naya. Come on, come on.
Yes. Go, Nana, that's you. Fight for it.
Come on, shift it, shift it, shift it,
There you go, Avery. Turn it up.
That's you,
Good
Avery.
job,
Nice.
Good job. Good job. Win it. Win it.
Good job,
Good job, Avery.
Go, girls. Great job, girls.
Up, Avery.
Control, control.
Now.
Send her.
Go follow it, go follow it, go follow it.
Nice, Ellie.
Carry, Julia, carry. Good job, Juliana.
Good pressure, girls.
Juliana, let's get one, Juliana, come on. Good one, Elisa. Sorry, Juliana.
Get back on D.
Get there, Juliana.
Come on, Juliana. I see you, Juliana.
Cut her off. Cut her off.
Buddy.
There you go. There you go. Good job, girls. Good defense. Good defense.
Oh.
Get out there.
Strong, Maddie, strong.
There you go, Morgan.
Come on, Addison, come on, Addison. Up, girls, up.
Work together, girls.
Nice hustle. We like 15 minutes left? 10?
20.
20.
21 to be exact.
Go, Naya, go, Naya.
Go, Vanessa.
There you go, Vanessa. Win it, yeah! Good pressure. There you go.
Come on in.
Shoot.
Avery, get ready, Avery. Get back up, buddy, back up.
Big boot.
Ay, no te voltees.
He's going to send it.
Nice.
Get in front of her, Lucy.
She was offside.
Go, Juliana.
Kick it out.
Yeah, Juliana.
Good job.
Nice.
Nice. Get it out of there. Good job, girls. Way to battle, girls. Good job. Good defense. Good job, Morgan. Good defense, Santa Rosa. That was awesome. Nice kick.
Find Vanessa, find Vanessa.
Go, Vanessa, go.
There you go, Vanessa.
Shoot.
Good try. Keep going. Good job, Vanessa. Battle, help her. Give it to Naya.
I'm tired.
No, que no se caiga. Acá que se caiga, no le van a marcar ese. ¡Vamos, Vanessa! No, it was too close, no le habían marcado allá. Deja que le habían marcado. Good job, girls!
Oh, good try.
Good shot. Good idea. She smacked her head on the slide.
There you go, Avery.
Nice, Avery.
Out of bounds.
You ready, Joe? Look around you. Look on your vision. Look where everybody's at. You don't know where everyone's at.
Try it. Follow up. Good job. Nice, Angie. That's all right.
Get there. Man.
Get Lucy. Nice. There you go, Angie. Turn it up. Good job, Lucy.
Gordon.
Keep going, Arden.
Sides, Naya.
Good job, Morgan.
What's going on, dude?
Yes, Michelle, good.
You can't cry over water. Dude, come on.
There you go. Let's go, Naya. All you, Naya. Oh, again. Help her. Good idea, Naya. Good job.
Esa era para la salida.
Speed all the way. Speed everybody.
You run her down. Good job, Lucy.
Yes, Lucy.
Good job, Luce.
Good job, Luke. Yes, Juliana.
That's what you got.
Okay, sorry, not that.
Here we go. Lord. Let's go, Hurricane.
Nice kick. Get out of there.
Nice. Nice passing. Great idea, Blue.
Nice, Alyssa.
Yes, keep going.
Nice try, Alyssa. Keep it up, Alyssa, keep it up.
Give her target.
Nice pass.
Nice. Good defense, Santa Rosa.
There, there.
Nice right.
Get 25.
Good shot.
There you go, Lucy. Nice, Lucy.
Send it.
Keep it up, Arden, come on.
Where you at, Isha?
Uh-oh. Get him.
Put the pressure on him, Hurricane.
Isha, you're open.
Nice.
Shelly, open.
Good job, Bella. Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go. Good job, Morgan.
Take your time.
15 minutes.
Where are we? 23, so 12 minutes.
Get up. Ooh. Get out of there. Good job, Lucy.
Now.
Job, Morgan.
In front of her, Amelia. Isha, let's go, get it. Fight for this ball right here. Fight it.
Come on,
You guys should be winning.
Body up.
Nice.
Body up, Arden, come on, Arden.
Run it down, run it down.
Get there, get there.
Go.
There we go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Go, 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 go.
Outside.
Control,
Ask for
control,
the ball.
control.
Open
You're
up.
fine.
Ask for the ball.
Now send it. Go quick.
That'd be an option, man. Be an option. Be an option. Always be an option. There, get it.
There you go, there you go, there you go. Cross it, cross it.
Corner.
Got your shoe.
Go in, go.
line, Millie. There you go.
Come on, Arden! Header gets you $100.
Nice kick. Get back on D.
Stop the ball, stop the ball, stop the ball. Stop the ball.
Nice, Angie. Way to disrupt it.
Get out wide, Millie.
Again.
Stay outside.
Do something. Come
Keep it up, Arden! Come on, Arden!
Nice passing.
Go, Sophie! Go, Sophie!
on. Good job.
Good option. Help out.
Wide open, Millie. Onside, though. Onside.
Onside.
Come on, Keely!
Nice.
Go for the ball.
Get there.
There you go, Amelia! Go. That's all right, keep going.
Good, man. That was good. Play the ball, man. That was good.
Wide open.
That's all.
Strong, Juliana, strong.
You ready, Juliana? You ready, Juliana?
Nice.
Gordon!
They're coming, Arden, they're coming. Get ready.
There's no offsides on a throw in the Millie. Remember that. Good.
Nope. Come on, Bella. Get it. Win it. Nice. Good job, Lucy.
Come on, Arden. Go, Arden. Good job, Arden.
Nice. Get back on defense. Get back on D, girls. Oh, someone's down. Who's that?
Is that Arden?
It is.
Good job, Arden.
Good job, Arden. Is it our ball? Oh.
Check in. Come here, feet.
Chill. Go. Right there.
There you go. Good job. Yeah! Go, Morgan.
Yes,
Nice, Morgan.
Get back. How many more minutes?
No, actually 5.
Right there.
Maybe.
Good job, girls.
Not that kind of football. No, I'm talking about football.
Nice. Get in front of her. Good job. Good defense, girls. Give her help. Give her some help.
Give her some help. Somebody over here.
Move up, Amelia. There you go.
Yeah, Vegas.
Get it out of there.
Ooh,
Nice.
Be ready, Vanessa.
Go up, go up, go up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Take the run.
Send it.
Take the
Send it.
run.
There you go, Vanessa.
Get outside, get outside. Oh.
That's right.
Get there, Shell, get there, Shell, get there, Shell. Come on, Juliana.
Get out there. Get out
Go,
there.
Juliana. Yeah, Juliana.
Good job. Good job, Santa Rosa. Get out of there. Good job. Good job, defense.
Giovanni. Shell, these are all your balls, Shell.
Here it comes. Nice, Haley. Again. Nice, Lucy. There you go. Battle.
Let's keep the pressure on them, Hurricane. Great teamwork.
There you go, battle. Good job, girls. Nice. It's right. Way to get back up.
Say line now. Now you say line.
Dig down. There you go. Go.
Man, that girl got it good.
Nice, Scarlett.
There you go. 3 on 1. Spread it out. There you go. Oh! Good drive. Nice shot, Amelia. Nice shot.
Hey, good teamwork.
Good job, girls.
Good teamwork. Way to look in the middle.
Next.
Nice pass, Michelle. Nice pass.
Good pass, Naya. Good pass.
Don't pinch in so much, Michelle. Don't pinch in.
Pressure on, girls.
Yeah.
Shift the heading.
All right.
Good job, Naya.
Adi.
Good idea, Santa Rosa!
Three?
It's all right.
But she didn't think the ball was going to go through, so she went to attack it, and then it did go through.
Oh, look at it. That was awesome.
Ready, girls, get ready!
Get a header in, guys.
Nice. There you go, Avery. Battle. Good job.
Back, Maddie, back. On her back, on her back, on her back.
Nice. Keep it down there. Pressure! There you go, take it. It's all right. That's amazing. Weathermen make so much money.
They get lots of money.
Yeah, Santa Rosa!
Is that game done?
Yep.
Who won?
You did.
Yeah!